Okay guys, we're going into the cave. Oh.
And we die.
We already died. Careful, careful. If we have to...
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta slow down here.
Okay, this is gonna get dark. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.
I don't see any crystals here.
Okay, you guys, this is the most disappointing cave I've ever been in.
Have a crystal? Maybe.
I expected... What are they called? Stalagmites?
Yeah, what about them? Stalactites.
Stalactites. Whatever, this is just a hole in the mountain.
My basement is kind of like this.
Yeah, it smells like someone's basement. Okay, let's get out of here. Come on. Good boy. Look at that, that's the hike we're gonna do.
At the Old Rock Fence, attraction number 5, it is a 3/4 mile long man-made wonder whose origin is clouded in mystery, but more than a century ago.
More than a century.
A mystery fence wall.
There it is, everybody.
Who built it and why?
Why?
What is it keeping out? It's a mystery.
Well, I wish we had time to investigate, but alas, we must move on. Hey, boys.
Yay. Catch. Hey baby.
Hey, we made it,
I
guys.
think we made it. Look at
Carrying a
this.
10-pound dog the whole time.
There's an RV park. The river. Fence park. A big insect. Crying babies. Crying children. Ah, nature.
Oh, yeah, this is pretty touristy, but it's really nice, so it's worth it.
Just the time of year.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go back down there and swim.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah.
I would like that.
Made it, Wayne. Guntars ate the last granola bar.
It's not even a granola bar, and I said I would share, but then you gave me this, which is not a granola bar.
It's a Lara bar.
And therefore, the previous sort of what I said I would do went out the window.
Because you don't like Lara bars?
No, because I was just, you know, I said I would share my granola bar.
Oh, that
This is
wasn't
not
your
a granola
granola bar. Wow.
My brain works in strange ways.
Look at this dog relaxing. Hi. Enjoying the view. Well, he's actually watching the people go by. No, sometimes I wish we had a drone, but other times I don't want to be the guy flying the drone. It's just annoying. It sounds like a massive bee. Can we just say... how nice it is? That we're never having children.
We don't want to be complaining all the time.
Imagine how much stress children can add to your life. Life's already pretty stressful. Imagine bringing them up a mountain. I'd be terrified that they were going to fall down. I have this leaky eye syndrome. Should we go to the top? I guess we're not at the top.
Yeah, we should.
Let's go. Whew. That's a big pile of rocks. We're at the very top now.
Down here.
Oh, cut my shoes off. Woo-hoo. Oh, yes.
Good boy. Why?
Guys, check out Wayne swimming. He never does this. Look at this fluffy
River dog.
So good.
It's so much wider.
He's just like letting the river take him.
Good boy. Good boy.
Look at you.
Yeah, that's anyway.
Oh my god. That's great. You're such a good swimmer.
Natural. Balloon with a tiny head on it.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, it died on me.
Well, it's got a second breath.
Woo.
Anyway, on our way home, and by home I mean
Back.
our camper, had to trek through this field.
I'm gonna take a nice hot shower and make a nice hot meal and have a nice cold beverage.
What kind of beverage?
Well, I feel like everyone's gonna think we're alcoholics if we keep talking about the box wine.
Well, it's important to, let it be known that we haven't had
Box wine.
first box of wine
On the
ever.
entire trip.
And we haven't really had anything like that in, I don't know, a few weeks almost.
Yeah. Good morning, vlog. We are leaving Garner State Park today. Wayne is trying to find a place to poo. So yeah, just packed up. Guntars is on a call from me. Oh boy. And we are going to drive to Seminole Canyon State Park today and stay there for 5 days, 4 nights. Yeah. Hate to say goodbye to this beautiful place, but we came here for the hiking. We hiked. It was spectacular. ready to move on. Okay? Goodbye. Say bye, Wayne.